Amazing Charizard EX Premium Collection Unboxing. Uncover hidden treasures.
Anthony, look what I got. A Pokemon pack. Are you ready to open it?
Yeah, I'm so ready. Look, there's a Charizard over here. Are you ready?
Yeah. Thanks, Train. Bye-bye. Anthony, do you like the pack I picked?
Yeah, it's so vibrant and colorful. And it has my favorite Pokemon,
Who?
Charizard.
Oh.
This one, now, let's open it. Careful. Whoa. Let's open.
So the 6 of them, so I got 3 and you get 3.
Thank you, Jasper. Oh, and look at this. There is a card stand for our very own Charizard. You get the Charizard card out while I prepare the stand. Okay, so this is to keep our Charizard card in mint condition. How do I use this?
How do I open it?
Okay.
Here.
Yep. Okay, let's show it to the viewers.
I got 2.
This card is a Charizard EX. It has a diamond texture on it. It's probably super valuable. Look at these Charmander and Charmeleon cards. They have a shiny exterior. It's called a promotional holo card.
Okay, Jasper, you see, they provided us with this card stand. So now we can put our Charizard in it.
And put it on there.
Yes,
And show it to the viewers.
you can have it here. Yay.
So cool.
Yeah, I know, right?
And so
it's
strong. They provided us
Whoa.
with card sleeves.
Yeah, and it's so colorful. It's a picture of a Charizard. Now,
What?
which types are you trying to look for when we open our packs?
I'm trying to look for a fire and a grass type.
Well, in my deck, it mainly consists of fighting and fire. So I would like to see those types as well.
Now, are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Yeah, but can I open it first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I got not a really good one. I know grass, but I don't think can go to my deck. And I got electro one. It's okay.
Yeah. Pretty good.
And I got
A pretty-
a good one. A
Yeah.
pretty good one.
It looks pretty strong.
Yeah, but I don't have electric.
Keep going.
Energy. Another grass. I know it's that good.
Now it's my turn to open a card. Okay, let's see if I get anything good, okay? Oh, sorry. Put this away. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys, let's see. I got a grass type, a fire type. Oh, this one's actually pretty good.
It's so good. Oh my
This one's
gosh.
actually pretty good.
See, I know how to do
Look,
it.
this one is like
Look,
a
can I have
beautiful
it?
art. Yeah, yes, so you keep showing it. I'll keep going. I got an energy.
Now it's my turn.
Yay.
I hope I get something good like you, Anthony.
Yep. Okay,
Oh please.
you got the energy.
I got this. A great ball.
Not too fast.
This one. Crexley. This one good. I got the same. Now. Oh my god! I got 2!
Oh,
Oh. A dragon type and this is a water type. Magic cup is not that good, but this is good. And this one is really good, which I don't know how to pronounce.
but they're both so beautiful.
Yeah.
Jasper, this is what I've collected so far. I've gotten a beautiful and rare card, and I've got all these ones which are very shiny.
And I got 2 really shiny and cool looking Pokemon cards. Oh my gosh, another good one.
Good one.
Oh, why? So lucky. This is my only and cool shiny one. I guess I'm really lucky today. Let's put it up. And these two are my favorite and they're good.
Jasper, the pack is really worth it. We were very lucky to get these 4. Look how beautiful they are.
I know.
And they can really be a great addition to our decks.
Yeah.
Plus, we got lots of different accessories. And a guaranteed Charmander, Charmeleon, and Charizard.
This Pokemon pack is pretty good. Since we are lucky today, we got so many good cards. Merry Christmas and have a wonderful New Year. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe us.